Hi, on this autopsy video, we will show you how to reseat or replace the primary and secondary hard drives in your Alienware 17. Before starting, check out our safety precautions and ESD protection video. You can find a link in the description for this video. First, disconnect any cables or peripherals attached to the computer and disconnect the AC adapter from the computer. Flip the computer upside down so you can remove these two screws. Slide the bottom door towards the front of the system and then lift it up. Locate the battery. Remove these two screws and carefully disconnect the battery cable from the system. Then you can remove the battery. Locate the primary hard drive. Remove these 4 screws. Use the tab to pull the hard drive bracket out of the system. To remove the primary hard drive from the bracket, remove these 4 screws. Then take the bracket off of the hard drive. If you're replacing the hard drive for a new one, attach the bracket to the new drive. Use the 4 screws to secure the bracket to the hard drive. Now, install the hard drive in the primary hard drive bay using the securing 4 screws. To reseat the second hard drive, first locate it here, then remove the 4 screws. Use the tab to pull the secondary hard drive bracket out of the system. If you need to replace this hard drive for a new one, remove the 4 screws securing the bracket to the drive. Remove the bracket, and then the hard drive interposer. Install the interposer and bracket onto the new drive. Then, install the hard drive in the secondary hard drive bay using the 4 screws. Install back the battery, then the bottom door, finally the screws, and you are done.